You can start right ahead to make money with CPA marketing with the strategy I'm gonna reveal to you in this video right here. Not only is this strategy gonna be an amazing one, it's gonna be a beginner's friendly one right here and can be done from any location out there in the world for absolutely free, of which you'll be able to earn some cool cash doing this. So if you are interested in this strategy, stick on to the end of this video. Watch this video to the end to learn and utilize this strategy in making a lot of cool cash online. If you're new to my channel OJ Marketing, I create videos about CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and how to make money online. Supposing you do like such content, scroll through my channel. There are a lot of videos that could help you out right here in boosting your income online right now. Also make sure you're subscribed to the channel and your notification bell is on all to get alerted whenever I do drop some cool and amazing videos that could help boost your income online. So with that being said, let's dive right into the video of today. Basically, first thing what you want to do is to get an account created for the CPA marketing platform like CPA Grip. It is quite easy to do that. Just simply click on register. You should be brought to this page. Provide your basic details right here in this particular field. Focus more on the field having these red asterisk signs. As you can see, it indicates a required field you must fill out before your account can be created on this platform. Next thing which you want to do is to agree to the terms of service by checking these boxes out right now before clicking on register to get your account created, before you can then go on to logging into your account right now. So guys, once you do log into your account guys, you can see that there are some cool offers right here that you can utilize. And to get to this offer page, come right here, select the offer tools, select my offers. You'll be brought to this page right here where you can see some cool offers right now, and this offer goes on to paying you about $30 right now. But the thing about this offer is that you need to just simply get your leads from the Belgium demographic. As you can see right here, this is available for people in Belgium. So they need to actually go on to submitting their credit card details using your unique affiliate link from this offer, and you make some cool cash right now. So basically guys, this is what this offer actually entails right now. If you do scroll through, you'll be able to see lots of other kinds of offers, but the strategy which we're actually going to be utilizing today does not necessarily need you to get targeted traffic. You can get traffic from any location out there in the world, and they are actually going to just simply click on your link, complete an offer that will be made available to them in their demographic, and you make money online with this strategy. And that's why we're going to be utilizing the monetization tool section and click on URL file locker right here, because we're going to be utilizing URL file lockers. Want to come right here, click on create new URL file locker, agree to the terms of service right now, and click on continue. Once you do that right here guys, we're actually going to go on to lock in a very cool and valuable content in this particular section right now. And guys, we just want to lock a valuable content to our audience that they can actually do anything to gain access to that. Right here guys, I'm just going to go on to lock in a very cool platform right now, and that platform right here is called the addmefast.com. This is a platform where you can use to get more likes, more tokens, more followers, and a lot of cool stuff and engagement to your social media account. So basically, I'm just going to copy the link domain, which is addmefast.com, and copy that domain right here to this particular platform. If I copy that, I'm going to head back to my URL file locker and paste that in this section right here. You want to just simply go into the template section and select the kind of template right here which is suitable for you. Maybe I can actually select this particular template right here, which is the human verification template, and right here I'm just going to name this something like Instagram followers. If I do name this Instagram followers, I'm going to just simply head back to this particular section and click on save. Once this has actually been done right now, my URL file locker will be created. I can click on get link to copy the link to this URL file locker right now. And it is quite much important that in promoting this URL file locker, you actually go on to creating a simple landing page, because driving traffic directly to that right there might actually get your account banned. So it is important to go on to creating a simple landing page right here to this offer, and you could utilize this platform right here called Google Site to do so. And the cool thing about this URL file locker is that once people click on this your unique affiliate link, which you can see right here, it's going to take them to an offer in their demographic, of which they actually have to complete first before they can gain access to this platform right now. So utilize this right now, copy the link, go on to this particular platform called Google Site right now, click on this blank section right here, and so we're going to go on to creating a simple landing page right now. I'm just going to delete this entire section which you can see right here. So if I do click on delete, I'm going to click on text box right now to actually add in a text such as this, which says complete 5k Instagram followers in 24 hours. I'm going to change this to something like a title right now, and you can see how cool this actually looks like. So if I do change that to the title, I can make that centralized, and once that has actually been done, you can see how cool it looks like. I'm going to come right here to add an image, and you could just simply get cool and amazing image to design for yourself from this particular platform called canva.com. But what I'm going to do right now is to utilize this particular platform called Pixabay to get royalty free images I can go on to using. So I'm just going to come right here and search for Instagram followers. If I just search for Instagram followers and click on enter right now, I will be able to see a lot of cool images related to that. So I'm just going to keep on scrolling through, and as you can see right here, this is a very cool one right there for 5k followers or 10k followers, or for some cool stuff right here. Maybe I'm just going to select this one right here for 10,000 followers right now. Click on download, and I'll be able to download this image for absolutely free on my device. Once the image has been downloaded, head back to my URL file locker right now and actually click on images, click on upload to go on to selecting that image right now. As you can see, the image has been uploaded. I'm just going to make this quite bigger right now and fill out this entire section right here. Once this has actually been done right now, you can centralize it if you want right now and add a new text box at the bottom and type in something like this right here. You could pause the video and check this out right now to actually copy this exact same text right here. Once you do type in something like this, you could make this bold. You could actually go on to increasing the font size. Maybe I'm going to centralize this right now and actually increase the font size to something like 18 to see how cool this actually looks like. I'm just going to leave it as it is right here like this. Once that has actually been done, you can actually go on to put in something like maybe call to action, a button right there at the end. Maybe I'm just going to go on to adding a button right now. For that button, I'm going to just simply put in something like click here. So if I put in something like this section which says link, you want to copy your URL file locker link and actually go back to that particular platform, paste that right here, click on insert. That will be inserted. You can actually then go on to stretching this right here over this entire section. You can drag that and drop in this section. This is how it's going to look like right now. Once you're done, just simply click on publish and you can publish this page. So I'm just going to give it a domain name such as this right here, and this is actually available called the followers go. I'm going to click on publish right now. I'm just going to select this particular link icon and copy the link to go on to promoting this. And to promote this, guys, we're just going to utilize this platform right here called Facebook. If you head onto Facebook, go onto the group section and focus on Instagram followers, you'll be able to see lots of groups that can actually help you go on to promoting your offers right here. As you can see, this group right here is actually interested in Instagram followers boost group. All you need to do is to click on that particular group. As you can see, the group is private, but you actually have to ask for permission to join first. You can check out other groups right here and basically focus on groups that are actually having about 4 to 5 posts per day right here and above right now. This is actually having 8 posts per day. This is having 10 posts per day and a lot more right here. So if you do select any of this group right here, even without joining this group, you can just simply go on to boosting or promoting your offer. All you need to do right here is you just simply go on to typing in a comment or a text such as this. You want to just simply put in something like, are you interested? So guys, once you do type in something like this right here, you also want to go on to inserting that particular image right now, which you actually downloaded right there, which is this image right here. And if you do insert the image, you can add your link right here, or you could wait for people to actually start engaging on that particular post before you can then go on to sending them the link to that your landing page for them to click and go on to completing offers before they can actually gain access to that platform called AdMeFast, for them to actually go on to making some cool cash or getting some cool followers to that particular Instagram account or any social media platform of their choice, and you're going to be making some cool cash with this strategy. So you want to just simply go on to utilizing that for many other groups right there on Facebook right now and on other social media platforms to get a lot of traffic. Be consistent with this strategy and utilize this to make money online. If the video was helpful, do smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and make sure your notification bell is on all so get alerted whenever I do drop some videos that could help boost your income online. That's it for now. Thank you all for watching and goodbye.